Hi guys, so Christmas, the holiday season is literally my favorite time of the year. And growing up, I loved the little chocolate advent calendars. Now I'm an adult, I'm even more in love with the wine and sparkling wine advent calendars. Did a whole blog on them, so I thought I would grab hold of the Costco wine advent calendar 2022 and kind of talk to you a little bit about it, do a little bit of an unboxing, but not a lot because I don't want to give it away if you want a surprise each day, because that's half of the fun, right? Is to see what's behind each door. But my friend had got this and she'd already opened it and she said the wines were actually good. And I do trust her and her husband's wine opinions because they're quite into their wines. We all are in our group, but they actually know what they're talking about, which is always nice. So this is such a good deal. You get 24 375 milliliter bottles, so basically half bottles of wine for $99.99 plus tax if you pay tax where you are. So I thought it was a really good deal if you're going to the store to get it because you can't order it online. So there's no affiliate links here. Not in my interest to sell this to you because I don't make any money off of it. I'm just sharing it with you. It is pretty heavy. I was like trying to lift it and I ended up having to get my dad to help me out of the car with it because it's really heavy. But let's kind of like delve into it. So one of the cool things is it has a QR code on it. So if you want to, each day you can go in there and it will tell you all about the wines. It will tell you where it's from. It will tell you the name, the price points, the flavor profiles, all the good stuff. So I thought that was really good about it. So you haven't got to Google it. And if you don't like it, then you don't even need to bother looking it all up. And I figured just because they're half bottles, it's better than a single glass serving. And if you don't want to drink a half bottle every day, which I totally will if I like them, you've got something to serve to guests when they come over. If you don't want to open a whole bottle, if they're driving and they're only going to have one glass, it's not going to turn. But for me, it's just the fun of trying wines from different countries, different regions, maybe different varietals that I wouldn't normally try. So I thought that would be really fun. So let's have a look in this. I already cut it open so that I don't kind of tear around. I did record this once already. This is take two because I have a new phone and I didn't get my mic connected to it. So I had a nice long video for you guys and I went to edit it and there was no sound. So I'm feeling very blonde today. Anyway, let's open this bad boy. So this is what the inside looks like. She says, if I can lift it. So it looks like your traditional advent calendar. Obviously, each door has a different number. They're all in random order. And I wasn't sure whether to kind of unbox any with you or not, open any doors. I didn't want to give anything away. So here is a little heads up. I'm going to open door number one. So if you want a full surprise, stop watching now. Otherwise, I'm going to open the first door just to give you an idea of the wine bottle size and the kind of type of wine in there. So let's take a little peek. I'm also going to do on my Instagram stories every day. I'll open each door so you can kind of follow through. So if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'll put it on the shorts, otherwise on my Instagram, either way. And then probably I'll put it all together in a long video at the end of the month so you can see the whole month. But here is, see, I told you I already opened this, door number one. So they all fit in there really nicely. And it is called Right Hook. It's a Cabernet Sauvignon. And look at his little crown. If you know, it's Mrs. England and Mrs. Nevada. So I love anything pageanty, anything with a crown on it. Absolutely love that. And what's cool about this one is it's from Bulgaria. I've never had Bulgarian wines. It's not even a country I'd think of getting wine from. So I'm really excited to try something different, which is half of the fun of wine advent calendars. It's cool. And if you don't like it, you're not wasting a whole bottle, and they don't even work out as $10 a bottle. So really, really good deal on these. And then obviously it says it's a distinctive Cabernet, perfect example of Bulgaria's formidable advances in wine quality. Medium body, soft, fresh finish that hints of wild cherries. I love cherries. Let this Bulgarian red challenge your preconceptions and beguile you with its unique terroir expression. And then again, another QR code. They know, I think, from COVID that we kind of all know our QR codes and kind of it's such an easy way to do things and lick things up. So this is kind of the day one. This is the size of it. Like I said, it's pretty heavy, but I just think it's one of the best value wines out there. When I updated all of the advent calendars and looked to see what was new this year, I was really impressed with how few companies had increased their prices. Some had even gone down, which I thought was really good because and now, like with inflation, everything seems to have gone up. Wine advent calendars, good job. So if you don't have Costco membership, because I don't, I have my girlfriend go and pick a box up for me. So find a good friend if you don't, because I definitely think this is worth the investment. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe.